Hey everybody, Chris Stevens with Uncle Dan's here, and I want to wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving. I hope your holiday was wonderful and you got to see all your family and friends and give them all the love of the world. We appreciate you as customers, and to show you that appreciation, we're going to extend our sale. Oh my God, it has been so well received by everybody, but if you haven't taken advantage of it yet, get on the bandwagon. Go to UncleDans.com, check out the gift sets, the shaker sets. They're all on sale at super deep discounts. So take advantage of it the rest of this week, all right, at UncleDans.com. www.UncleDans.com. Uncle Dan's, all ranch is good. Our ranch is better.